Okay, here's a little background on how our day went at Arches National Park. So we started the day off here right before sunrise at the Park Avenue viewpoint, just right here. We had to stay there till around 8 o'clock. We had to wait for the visitor center to open up because we did have a permit for the fiery furnace section of the park for a hike, and we had to go down and watch an orientation video at 8 a.m. and pick up that permit. So after we did that, we did head up here to Balanced Rock and check that out. Then we headed down here to see some of the arches, double arch and turret arch. After that, we went up and did our fiery furnace hike, which took about 2 hours. I would highly recommend that. It was a lot of fun. Something would definitely recommend to do when you're visiting the park. It's pretty easy to get the permit. You have to just sign up for it. It is a lottery, but I think it's pretty easy to get. So after we did that fiery furnace hike, we went over here to Delicate Arch. That was more of a hike up there than we were expecting. It was a little hot and fully exposed, but wasn't terrible to get up to, but it was definitely worth it. So we went up and saw Delicate Arch, and that was the end of our day.
Right where we're at. Alright, we're gonna try a different type of shot here. So we're just walking down a little bit further. Try to kill some time here before 8. Pretty epic views so far. Best part is there's nobody else down here but us. Very quiet. Okay guys, we're here at Balanced Rock, part of Arches Park, so this is just a quick little stroll around. But yeah, there it is, balanced up there. Sun's right behind it.
sounds like right in my eyes. Balanced rock. Stop number 2.
Yeah.
1. Ooh, that looks nice.
I don't know if you can see this. You can see the people up there underneath that window. See how big it is. But
Can you stop? Download it. Why can't I access it?
alright guys, we're at the fiery furnace. Getting ready to start this hike. So I don't know how long it is. I think it's too long, maybe 3 miles. A lot of dead ends. It's supposed to be like a maze. So we'll get this started and check in along the way. And we just started. It's already a tight squeeze down through here. I'm gonna probably put this GoPro on my backpack strap because it's hard to hold this in one hand. I'm going through here. Probably go ahead and do that. Okay. Alright guys, we're having a heck of a time finding the trail here on this. It's not really like a set trail, it's kind of just like a maze and you find your own way, but we have all trails down there. We're trying to stay on the right general track, but we're keep going back and forth, but we're making progress anyway. So this is it over here. You can see Kelly down there. It's cool though. We're in the middle of all these big rock crevices. Who are you talking to? The camera. I hope I have that coming out right. That should be. I think there's a way we should have came up through here, but we ended up taking a detour. It's right here. This is this sandy bottom here. So here, yeah, this looks better. All right. That's a pretty cool view. Good picture there.
I never saw any arrows yet.
We gotta go up there.
Look here.
Put it in your, can't you put it in your bag? I am. Try to lean down here and get Kelly coming up. I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here or down there. I don't know if you're supposed to be on the top here or the bottom. I guess it doesn't matter. Oh, there's the arch. It's called Surprise Arch up here. Yeah. how blue that sky is. So this is actually a dead end here. We got to turn around and go back to the main trail. Yes, I just walked up there, but I didn't go the whole way back. There's a kind of a big crevice there. I don't want to get stuck. Anyway, pretty cool scenery. Walk back out of here. Straight back down.
At least
Yeah, it is good. It is up that way. I think this is actually another dead end back here, but we'll just see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Yeah, dead end. That's how this trail is. A lot of times you think you're going the right way and you go to a dead end.
Or no?
I might have to take my backpack off. Actually, I'm going up this way and down. You can go this way. It's like steps going down. All right, we're going into a tight squeeze here.
I don't want to slip.
Just use it like steps. Trying to think how I'm going to do this. Yeah, I'm 100% sure. Trying to do this without taking my backpack off. Yeah, this is it. You just have to kind of squeeze through. How did I fit? I just kind of walked sideways so I didn't take my backpack off. You did it easy.
How do you get down here?
I just kind of like.
Well, how do you get down there?
I think you just go. That's part. It looks easy. I just kind of wedged myself between the two rocks there and just.
I don't understand how I do this without breaking my. we're supposed to get down there? It looks impossible.
Oh,
I think we're supposed to be to the right of it.
I'm sure there's a way.
I'll wait till you see. Pretty sure we're gonna get down.
I don't know yet. Oh yeah, we're not going we're not going down this way. All right, we got to go back. Okay, well that's fine. We can do it I just can just cross right over here. I still don't know if this is right. Some of these things are a little. I think we should have went down that way. We got to get down to the bottom here. There. Then you can just walk up it like this instead of doing that wall walk. I think we need to go over that way.
Huh?
I think we need to go over to that little like landing over there. Walk up the. Pretty sure it's right over there.
I'm only on 53%. Looks like we're right.
Yeah, I think we just have to walk this.
We're bringing the charger.
Just step across there. Don't hesitate, just step across. What do you mean? No, right here right here. There's like steps here.
Where?
Just give me your hand.
No, where am I supposed to
Right, just right there.
That's freaking me out. Okay.
Just give me your hand.
No, just let me do. I have to.
Here, grab my hand. Oh my God. Well, then do it down there and then just walk up along here.
Can I go back around from this angle?
Well, how's that one back there any better than this one up here?
It's not. Let me go through that bush. How'd you do that?
It wasn't. Stand right there. Hold my hand.
Wait, I'm afraid you're gonna push me up and we're gonna fall in the hole.
Kelly, the hole's 4 inches wide.
Wait.
1, 2, 3. Jeez. All right, we got another tight squeeze here.
Probably think that means you're gonna Snapchat.
Well, I think we gotta get up over there. Walk through these rocks here. And up.
So it lands there, so I can't.
Huh?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I want to scrape my butt.
I use the bottom of my shoes to do it. I try to use my shoes to do it. You want to grab my hand, or can you do it?
Don't drop me.
Let's go this way. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. That's a nice shot.
I just want to make sure there wasn't a hole in there.
Okay, we're coming up. We're nearing kind of the end of the hike. I think we're really through a lot of the really interesting spots. So, just trying to figure out our way out of here. It's this way. Yeah. Yeah, so this was a pretty fun hike. Not where we actually went by mistake the opposite way that you're supposed to go. We went on a counterclockwise. You're actually supposed to go clockwise if you want to follow the little markings, but the markings seem to be few and far between. And opposite, it actually seemed like it was better because you didn't really we didn't see a whole lot of people on the trail, but when you did, you just passed them. There's nobody really behind you or anything, so liked it better that way. I would recommend it. It might be a little harder to get up and down some of the things, but I would rather go opposite.
The hike seems to be more relaxed. rocks.
Yeah, it seemed like we did like a lot of the strenuous parts in the beginning, and at the end we're just hearing some of this flat stuff. So yeah, I would definitely recommend. I don't know how long it took us to do it. It wasn't really long, but it wasn't long distance, but it took us, I mean, we're going at a slow pace because you're climbing over rocks and through rocks, and it was a lot more actually difficult than what we thought, but it was a good difficult, nice and challenging. So yeah, I would highly recommend. All right, we're still continuing along. I don't know if you can see this or not, but up on that rock, the people walking up there, that's where we're heading. All right, we made it up to the Slick Rock crossing, the beginning of it. So we're getting ready to start that. Okay, I'll just keep rolling for a while. It's on your left side. All right, we're about halfway up right now. It's definitely a pretty steeper grade than what it looks. Kind of crowded. But yeah, show you how far we went.
Well, I used to carry around I used to carry around this it's like a recovery harness. It's basically like kind of like a climbing rig for somebody, but it's so you can strap someone on your back like a backpack.
It's really hot. It's very hot. Very hot.
Okay, we're up to almost the top. Pretty flat up here. And I think we're almost there. This is just all rock we're walking on. It's all solid rock.
Ako naman yung kausap ko ng tawag. Pwede mo tayo ka sa akin. Doon, ano yun na? Para sa edge niya? And twice pala nakakapag-hike yun.
So here's looking out down the back side of the arch. There's the side of it. The back.
Sorry.
There.
Y ni poder, no es que la gente